Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix your headlights. I have a problem with my headlights. The cables, all the cable is broken. I'm trying to fix them, but I don't have the black tape in the house. So I gotta fix them from now, and then in the morning I gotta go to my shop where I'm working in the shop, and I gotta put black tape. So the problem is for the headlights. This for a 2005 Mini Cooper R50, the basic model. If I want the take the harness from here, I have to take everything from here. I have to take everything out, and I don't have that. This is a lot of work, so we gotta do it easy way, and it'd be easy to fix them all time. So we gotta do open this one. This one have LED lights. Disconnect them. Take the take them out. Okay, and we can see here the harness here. Okay, when it open it, they can't not take it off and you fix it. So I have to take everything from here. So this is what I gotta do. I gotta open it, screwdriver like that, and push it. Or you know what? Look, just gotta, because I gotta break it, so I gotta break them. So I gotta do break like that and break them. So you break this side here. This is the cheapest way even when I do it. And I try it, I do it the first headlights, did work. So gotta do it for this one too. So we gotta keep break them. You can see. This, if when you break this, you have the section you can take all the cables and you can fix them. You put some black tape on them, so you can fix the problem. There we go, guys. You see like that? So now, here we go. See all the cables that was broken? So this one give you shorts and electric. So how do they connect this one here? Okay. Push all the cable down. Actually, for the first time we gotta open before, you gotta find like a something cut like a hole in them on the sides. Just you have to push with screwdriver, the other side screwdriver. That's it. So you get free to take them off. You can see now, I just removed them. I tried to fix them before. but I don't have black tape. I keep fights with them today. So what I gotta do, I gotta fix them from now. In the morning when I go to the shop, and I gotta take all that, I gotta put black tape. Yeah, stay with me, I'll show you how to do that. Because all that, you see, you got, when you drive, you keep touched together, and your car gets like low voltage, something wrong in the car. I have this black tape like that. Do it like that. I don't have enough, so this is just temporarily until the morning, and do the black tape on them. Because I want to go to the store, and I cannot drive with no lights, so. There we go. And remember, those two is the black, and this is red. So the short one is with the short one there, like that, and the tall one with the tall one. This is for the main headlight. This is low bay, and this is the high bay. Low bay, high bay. Okay, so we're gonna go now. I have the high bay put in place. And got this is the lobby. This aftermarkets. This is really good, those. They should secure it rightly. And go ahead and we close them. That's it. So what I gotta do, this is the black wire. So you go to negative here, and this one here, and I'll squeeze them like that a little bit. Be nice and secure. It's good. And this one, I'm gonna hook it up to the LD sides, and this one to the car. That's it. Stay with me in the morning and I'll show you how to put everything back. Okay guys, so I put the light back. It's easy to put the light back. Just have one screw here and two screws on the back for 10mm sockets. And you can see, you gotta leave them like that just for today. Just for this today. In the morning, you gotta put tape and then put it in the place. See, just connect them like that. I did this before today. Yeah, let's try and turn the lights on. There we go. On. Really strong now. Here we go. So you can see, easy to fix them. In the morning I gotta show you how to tape everything with the black tape and secure them, all of them. This is the high B, this is low B, and this is the high B. All LDs. Hi guys, so today I just put some black tape on them, so I fixed them. And just be careful because I did break mine, but see, this keycap are good, so black tape is good. And like that we're saving a lot of money. I gotta put them back now.